and that is property related court.
Okay.
In the corridors of justice, time doesn't move equally for everyone. Every year, thousands of civil cases remain pending in courts across India. Cases that hold the lives, livelihoods, and futures of ordinary people in limbo. Behind every file is a story waiting to be heard, and a resolution that often never comes on time. For families with limited means, the cost of waiting is not just legal, it's deeply personal. This investigation looks into two such cases and through them asks a larger question. Why do so many civil cases remain unresolved? To understand this, we follow the work of an advocate navigating these delays firsthand. Through his pending cases, we trace the journey of those caught in the system and uncover the realities behind judicial delay. These are not just two stories, they're a window into many.
I am Vaidiswaran, advocate. I am practicing in Chennai High Court and I am doing exclusively civil matters practice in Chennai, and I am doing it past 20 years, and I have faced a lot of cases, lot of clients, lot of things I have faced it, but ultimately the client's welfare only, it is a main priority for me. I used to focus on that. Actually, my father is a lawyer, and subsequent to that, that is a great inspiration for me. So I want to become a lawyer. Actually, I am a person of social activity. I am more focused on social activity. And previously, I was doing the government cases. That free legal aid is there. It is only meant for poor people. Their annual income should be below 72,000. For those people, if they bring the income proof, then only the court itself will accept the case and the cases will be allotted to the panel lawyers. I would have conducted nearly some around more than 2000 cases I would have conducted. Right now, part heard and judgment, till judgment, it will be treated as a pending case. Right now, I will be having, I'm not sure about that, I have to verify the thing only. Around 600 to 700 cases. Right now, it will be pending. I cannot say pending, it is in process. It is in process, it will be in that thing, different stage, different timing, different stage. But it is pending cases. Generally, we used to say pending cases.
Some cases don't begin in courtrooms, they begin in silence, in documents that don't add up, and in families still waiting for what they are owed.
Today, I'll explain the Burger King. One case came to me. That boy worked in that Burger King shop as a sales executive. During the work period, he felt sick, and subsequent to that, he came to his own hometown.
Fell sick because of liver problem, you're saying?
Liver problem.
And
Yeah.
alcoholism.
Alcoholist. During that time, once again he had liquor and all. Subsequent to that, he felt sick and his health condition became very worst,
Okay.
and he has been hospitalized. And moreover, the liver transplanting process is the liver sample should be matched and it should have the same DNA or DNA like contact.
Right.
Like that, then only it will suit, otherwise it will not get suit.
Yeah.
That is the reason he has not opted, and his stage is also very worst stage.
Okay.
So in that stage, it cannot be done anything. And I am having the right now the client came to me to get his employment provident fund,
Okay.
EPF.
Client's father, right?
Client's father, yes.
No, sorry. Victim's father is your client.
Yeah.
Okay.
And based on that, I have downloaded some documents regarding the employment provident fund, and I just found out this employment provident fund ID number.
Okay.
Based on that ID number only we can ask any sort of requirement or thing, so that only we can able to find out the right person for the payment and all. I have found it. I have just created some documents and all, and some documents the father also gave to me.
Okay. So how much does Burger King have to give the victim's family in Provident Fund?
Actually, Burger King has given the salary and all,
How much?
around 15,000 something.
Okay.
These are all employment provident fund application form for that settlement of amount.
Form and a settlement amount.
Yes,
Where is the settlement amount?
that will not be mentioned.
Okay. வாங்க வாங்க அண்ணா.
ஐயாக்கு எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்க?
I received a newsletter named Varian Malar. Inside that book, I got a pamphlet notice with his name, even there was not mentioned as advocate. Only name was given as Vaitishwaran, and we called and informed him about the problem. We were getting confidence that he will do favor. Then I came directly, sir, and he told to bring the documents supporting the issue. After discussing with sir, I got confidence that my problem will be solved positively. But before coming here, I was guided by Mr. Arasu. He had wasted our time right from 2023. He had obsessed and simply made us to come several times, but the problem was not solved. I am a daily wage worker. If I am not going to work, no wage. So I was facing that problem. We have to visit him regularly. I used to take my wife also to talk to him, but nothing happened positively. They will be asking whether we got appointment to see him. They will be insulting us, why you came here without getting appointment. We used to tell we are here to claim my son's PF amount. My son is no more. They will be telling you cannot meet him prior appointment, and they told the person who was working in this place, the computer cannot be opened and he is on leave. After he comes to duty, we can do anything. So now we are here that sir will solve our problem, and we are very much satisfied with this.
நீங்கள் பர்கர் கிங்க்கு இமீடியட்டாக பர்கர் கிங்க்கு போயிட்டு காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணிங்களா பிஎஃப்காக?
ஆமாங்கம்மா, அவர் இறந்த அவருடைய இது சர்டிஃபிகேட்லாம் வராமல் இருந்தது.
After son's death, we contacted them. They told to come with certificates. So we applied for death certificates, legalized certificate. It took 4 to 5 months to get the certificates. First time when we went there, they told us that sir is on leave, so come and meet after 1 week. And we told that, madam, we cannot come frequently because no job. I am coming here losing my job only. Just inform sir, but their response was not positive. After that, one day we went with all documents and submitted and filled the form for 4 times. But he will be moving the work and as if it is getting over, but nothing happened positively. After that, one day he told them the letter has been sent to Mumbai office and they have stamped from Mumbai. I told them to send the copy. I will be coming and get the copy. But he told I have sent the signed copy in my WhatsApp number. But it was false. We did not receive any such message. He gave 4 mobile numbers to contact Mumbai office, but none of the numbers were working. While talking to him over phone, I used to record the phone. I am having recorded voice while talking over the phone, and I talked to him in odd voice only this time. You can hear the voice on my phone also.
சீல் வந்து நான் சொன்னேன் நேரில் வந்து வாங்கிக்கிறேங்க, அந்த சீல் அப்ளிகேஷன் என்கிட்ட கொடுங்க, மும்பை ஆஃபீஸ்க்கு நான் வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன் பாருங்கன்னார். வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் அனுப்பிச்சு கேட்ட பார்த்தா எதுவுமே இல்லை, அப்படி ஒரு இதுவுமே இல்லை.
ஒரு 4 ஃபோன் நம்பர் கொடுத்தாரு, இது மும்பை ஃபோன் நம்பர், நீங்கள்
அந்த ஃபோனே எடுக்கவே மாட்டாங்க.
அது ஒரு 4 நம்பர் ரிங்கும் போவே இல்லை, ஒன்றும் இல்லை, சைலண்டாகவே இருந்துச்சு.
நான் அவர் கூட ஒரு முறை ஃபோனில் கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணும்போதெல்லாம் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கிறேன். பண்ணியிருக்கேன்.
காலைல 7:30 மணிக்கு
ரொம்ப நான் அவர்கிட்ட எப்படி பேசணுமோ எல்லாமே இருக்குது இதில் கேட்டு பாருங்க. சும்மானா ஒரு அன்றைக்கி ஒரு கோர்ஸில் சொல்லிட்டேன், அப்படி இந்த மாதிரி நான் எம்எல்ஏ தெரியும் அவரை தெரியும்னு சும்மா சொன்னேன். எனக்கு யாருமே தெரியாது, இருந்தாலும் அவர்கிட்ட அவர் சும்மா ஒரு செயல் பண்ணணுன்றதுக்காக அப்படி சொன்னேன். அவர் அதுக்கு எதுக்குமே இது பண்ணல. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா
Is it okay, Madam?
Yes, it's okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Some other cases don't begin with a verdict. They begin in absence, in hearings that never happen, in a system that waits even when one side never shows up. While one life moves on, another remains on hold.
This is regarding a client called Nivita regarding the cruelties inflicted by the husband as well as her mother-in-law and the relatives of the husband after the marriage. Actually, this case, she got married during the COVID period, so there is no much the relatives or friends are all came for the marriage. After that, they just contacted us. At the time, I just told her, is there any possibility to reunion, all those things. Then they just told all the cruelties inflicted her, all those things. So we made a conclusion to file a domestic violence against the husband, mother, father.
My name is Niveta. I got married to Sendil Kumar through an arranged marriage. The proposal came through someone known to both our families, so we trusted it. At first, my parents were hesitant, but his family kept assuring us. They said they didn't expect anything and would take care of me, so my parents agreed. Later, we found out they had lied about his age. We were told he was 34, but he was actually 41. Even some family details were not true. Before the engagement, my mother clearly explained what we could afford. They agreed, but after the engagement, demands started: gold, silver, and other items. My parents still managed everything because the wedding was fixed. Then the wedding date was suddenly moved earlier. My parents were not ready, but they arranged the money by borrowing. We got married on 26th April 2021. From the beginning, he was distant. He showed no interest in the marriage. Later, I understood he agreed only because of his mother's pressure. The marriage was never consummated. I was blamed for everything. I was told I was not good enough. He hardly spoke to me. He would leave early and come back late. His mother controlled everything. I was not given proper care. I was sent back to my parents for treatment. I was also forced to collect money from borrowers. When I refused, I was locked inside the house. Even then, I tried to adjust, but the demands did not stop. More money, more gold. At one point, even my chain was taken. Finally, his mother called my parents and asked them to take me back. On 31st August 2021, I returned to my parents' home. Since then, I've been living with them. We tried to resolve it through relatives, but nothing changed. This marriage had already broken down. It was not a real marriage. I have approached the court seeking annulment.
That court summons received by the husband. After that, he did not come to court. So the court has come to a conclusion and made him ex parte in that matter and granted divorce, ex parte divorce based on the non-appearance of the husband. Subsequent to that, we have filed a maintenance amount also in that divorce case. I'm sorry, domestic violence case. Finally, what has happened? The judge told to appear, made a conditional order to appear before this court in one hearing date. In that date also, he did not appear. So the court is inclined to grant the ex parte maintenance amount of rupees 30,000 per month and maintenance and other expenses for that and the litigation expenses for 50,000 one-time payment. This is the situation right now is going in the court. Since he did not appear, the court has given a lot of opportunities to him for his appearance and he did not turn. It will come some lakhs because this case was filed in the year of 2022 and now it is 26. Around 4 years it has gone. Right now the case is in the stage of part heard and the matter is pending matter. After the sufficient opportunity is given to them, even if they fail means then only they will take the further action and the further decision in that case. So there is no possibility of speedening the case.
So is this justifiable?
This is the procedure. Actually, I cannot say it is justified. It is a procedure and we have to follow the procedure according to the court. So it will happen if the person fails to come to the court. That is a great problem over here.
Our investigation didn't arrive at answers, only at the weight of what remains unresolved. Procedural delays turn justice into a waiting game only a few can afford. Until that changes, justice will continue to exist on paper but out of reach.